The fate of Whakaari Management, the company owning the White Island volcano where a 2019 eruption killed 22 people, is now in the hands of a New Zealand judge. A 3-day appeal hearing concluded on Thursday, with Justice Simon Moore expected to deliver his decision before the end of the year. The company was previously convicted of failing to ensure visitor safety, but its appeal argues it should not be held responsible for the tragedy under New Zealand's workplace safety laws. The judge will decide whether Whakaari Management acted as a landlord or a manager of the hazardous site, with significant implications for the adventure tourism industry in the country.